how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that I found you. And you know that I'm yours.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So I'm currently pretty much in front of the Hermès Sèvres boutique in Paris, and also happen to stand right in front of a massive garbage pile. I think in Paris the garbage collectors have been on somewhat of a strike for almost 2 weeks, so quite ironic. And back there is the entrance to the Sèvres boutique. So I'm gonna head in. I don't have an appointment. I didn't try for any appointments throughout the entire trip because I just got a birkin from my local boutique. Even if I managed to get an appointment, which apparently is super difficult, there have been a lot of people talking about getting rejection after rejection, like for a week straight. Anyway, so I'm about to head in, and as always, I'm gonna take you with me. And again, same as with the FSH, chances are they will have a lot of bags on display and the prices on display, so I will make sure to include like close-ups of the prices because I know that's helpful. And let's go.
Really little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
Just got done at Sèvres and wow, I'm so glad we came because the boutique is quite stunning. I mean, FSH does have its charm and it's their like original flagship boutique and everything, but Sèvres is just something else. Super high seating. I think it used to be like a swimming pool, like a public swimming pool. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, insanely beautiful. They do have a like cafe inside, which is so cool as well. And yeah, all the like wooden structures and everything, stunning. And I mean, today is Monday around like noon-ish. Yeah, pretty much like 12. And of course, it's like luck of the draw if you end up having like a super busy day or not. But we went inside. It was like so many SAs walking around, and I got asked twice by different SAs, one male and one female, if they could help me or not. And also like the ready-to-wear section was pretty empty, especially like men's wear ready-to-wear. There was no one around, like no customers. Women's wear a little, like a few customers waiting to be served, or I think most of them had already been assigned an SA and everything. So from my experience, not like overly crowded, and yeah. Also the windows are so cute. Anyway, so yeah, that was Sèvres, and as I mentioned, I think I mentioned either in my like Paris vlog or I inserted it in like the Hermès vlogs. We did walk past Georges V yesterday, but yesterday was Sunday, so it was closed obviously, and I'm not really planning to go inside Georges V because I think it's the smallest Hermès boutique in Paris. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty certain, and chances are the stock at Georges V isn't like the best. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I hope I was able to film as much as possible, including like yeah, pricing and everything. And even more so than in FSH, they didn't give an F about me filming inside Sèvres, which is amazing. So yeah, I was just free to roam around and yeah, take in the beautiful boutique and all the beautiful eye candy. But yeah, I think we're headed towards the Bon Marché, which is a department store. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. By the way, feel free to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So happy to take you along with me, and I hope you enjoy coming along with me. Anyway, I'm rambling at this point. See you later.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah,